In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Miestro, which is an all-in-one platform specifically used by content creators, helping them to grow their audiences, grow communities, and monetize them. So if you're an online content creator looking for an all-in-one tool that you can actually use to start some memberships, host your video content, and make some great money online, then this is the #1 platform that you have been looking for. To give you a brief overview of the website, this is what the website looks like. And I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. You can click on it and then you'll be able to come to the website and create a free account and actually test it out for yourself. So more specifically, it can be used for creating video memberships rather than just keeping your content on social media platforms and not making money. That's if you're not monetized on those platforms. You can create your own website/platform on Miestro, invite people into it, start building your own community, and then you're going to be making money from that community. So yes, you can build websites with it. Yes, you can build a dedicated community, and you're going to be doing this using the different tools that they've already created for you. And all you simply need to do is choose what you want to do, and the tools have already been set up. You'll be able to create stunning looking platforms in just a few minutes. There are various different tools and features that you can use within Miestro, not only just limited to the video membership, but you can build websites, you can do email marketing, you can build landing pages, use their various marketing tools, monitor the traffic that you are getting, the sales that you're getting with advanced analytics, set up different types of products, some subscription-based, some once-off payment-based, and even run affiliate marketing programs. And you'll be able to do all this using their drag and drop features. Even complete beginners can be able to do this. So once again, to get started, just simply click the link in the description below and then sign up today. After you click that link, it's going to bring you to this page here where it's going to ask you for your name, your email address, and then password. Simply create that and then click on get started for free. You then just give it a few seconds for your account to get set up. Then it's going to bring you to this page where it asks you what type of creator are you. You simply choose the option that makes the most sense to you. I'm just going to say content creator. Click continue. How did you hear about Miestro? You can say referred by a friend if I'm your friend, or social media. Choose any one of these. I'll just click on this one. Continue. What type of program are you creating in Miestro? Then you choose any one of these which is relevant to you, but I am going to talk about them in the video. I'll just say video membership for now. Continue. Then it's going to ask you to name your website. You can either use your name or the name of your business. I'm just going to use my name for now. Click continue. And then next you're going to be greeted by this video that's just going to welcome you to the website. You can just watch it for a few seconds, just explaining some of the things that you can expect. Then on this next page, it's going to ask me to verify my email address. All you have to do is you just need to identify the email. Click on this button which says click here to verify your account. And as you can see right here, it says that my account verification is done and I just need to follow these other steps. And then also notice that on the dashboard here, there's just this welcome message. Welcome to Miestro dashboard. You can click on this video here to get an explainer of how the software actually works. But for now, I'm just going to go through this getting started checklist. As you can see, I've done 2 of the tasks, which include creating your account, email verification. The next one is I'm going to add a photo. I just simply click on that, upload an image from my computer. I'm going to select one image there, click open. I'm happy with the image, save photo, and then move on to the next step. Now, just to explain some of the features that you will see, if you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll see that there is this option which is called the Miestro University. I can click on this to start training, and it's going to bring me to this page here where I can get different video tutorials which will walk me through step by step how to use the platform. Now back to our main dashboard. Also, if I scroll down again, there's this Miestro tutorials. I can also click on that and then it will bring you to this help section here. And then if I click on this first section here, it opens up this new page where I can actually get documents that I can read. For example, if I click on welcome to Miestro, I'll be able to read through and learn more about the platform. That's if I prefer to read more than watching video content. But of course, at the top of the article, there's a video that you can play that'll give you a few more lessons. Now you notice to the left of your main dashboard here, there are these different options that you see. The first one is the dashboard where we are currently at. And then if I click on products, this is where you are going to get access to all the different products that you would have created. Like if I come here and say my products, it's going to give me a list of all my products, and I'll show you how to create products just now. It's going to be my media library where I'll be able to access all the different media that I've uploaded to the software. And then there's other pages, landing pages, and portal themes. These are going to be basically templates and pages that I can create. And then portal themes are templates or themes that have already been created for you. You just simply need to choose the one that you want. For example, if I'm running a yoga business, I can click on this ballerina option and then it will show me what my landing page is going to look like. And if I'm happy with it, I can start building using that. I just simply click here on apply and then it will be applied to my website. Then there's also the option for quizzes, which will make your courses or your memberships more fun in that at certain points you can actually allow people to do quizzes that will help them test whether they are actually learning anything or not. Then there's going to be the member section here. This is where you're going to be able to review all the different members that you have. You can choose to add members one by one, or if you've got a list of members, or you've got an email list of people that you want to add to your membership, you can use the bulk import option just by clicking here. And then once you have entered all your members, you'll be able to see all of them by name, by email address, and different categories that you will also be able to create. Then there's the analytics section where you'll be able to get details about how many purchases have been made, your revenue in total, maybe over a 1 day period, over a week, monthly, yearly. You're able to see product progress in terms of like how far you people are going through your content. You're able to see the subscriptions, how many people have subscribed, or maybe how many people have bought your once-off products. You're able to see the video metrics. You're able to see the page views. You might have multiple pages. You can see which page is getting more views than the others. And you're also able to see like the refunds, how many people have actually asked for refunds. You know that all these banners also appear here to the left, meaning that you can see each of these in more detail. For example, if I go to page views, I'll be able to see everything that I need to know about that. Then next comes the option for sales. This is where I'm able to set up like my different pricing and all the different things that I want to actually be selling. For example, if I'm on membership, I'm able to come here and create a new membership. I'm able to put the cover photo, come up with the pricing name, how much people are actually going to be charged, and then which currency I actually want to use. Then you've also got the option to create a free trial, and it can range from 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or you can come up with your own custom time frame. And then last but not least, you are able to choose your own payment integrations or your own payment gateways. If I click here on go to integrations, these are the different types that are actually available. The most common one, which is Stripe, also PayPal, which is another most commonly used one, and many others that you might want to check out here. Now you notice here to the left that once I've come to my payment integrations, I'm now currently under the settings tab. And you notice that there are also various other functions that you can also see under the settings. Starting from the top, there's just the general settings where you can come and put in all your details once again, like your personal information. You can change your password and then you can set up your domain. If I click on domain, you'll notice that they already gave me this domain name here, which is going to be Marshall5290. If I want it to be a custom domain, I can click here where it says custom, and then I'll be able to buy a custom domain and then set it up there. But then as you can see here, it's asking me to upgrade my plan, and I'll talk about the plans shortly. Now, there are many other things here that you might also be interested in. For example, taxes, you can set them up here. Sites, this is where you'll be able to manage all the different websites that you have. Global branding means that you can add, for example, your logo and then your legal pages, your privacy policy, your terms and conditions. There's also going to be your checkout settings where you tell the software exactly what you want to do. For example, setting up receipts. Do you want to have a reCAPTCHA? Do you want to upload your logo? Do you want to have colors? Do you want to take people's physical address or not, etc., etc. Now, back to our menu here to the left, there's also going to be promotions, and you're going to have access to different features that you need to run any online business. And these include email marketing, blogs, and certificates. You actually be able to create and automate the process of giving people certificates when they have finished a certain course or a certain section of your trainings. Then lastly, there's automations. Automation simply means that you're able to create functions on your platform such that if this happens, then that will happen. For example, if someone gets to a certain part of your course, then automatically they'll be sent out their certificate. Now, to show you how simple and easy it is to actually create a course or a membership, you just simply come here where it says products. I'll click on my products, and then I'm going to click where it says new product. And then it asks me what type of product you want to create. Is it a video membership, online course, or community? I'm going to click on start building a community, and then community name. I'm just going to call this test description. I'm just testing, then click on next step. Next step is I need to upload an image. I'm just going to upload a random image there. Click on save photo. Next step, then you see the option there where it says allow members to create rooms. A room simply means that on your website, they can actually create their own category where people want to discuss a particular topic that they've started. I'll leave it off for now. And then select a product. This is where you'll be able to select a specific product that you have already created. For now, I'm just going to leave it like that. Then apply global branding to this community. Global branding simply means that the settings that you put on the first page are the same settings that are going to apply to all the other pages. Once I'm happy, I click on next step. I then can choose how many plans I want to have here. I can enter a pricing name, just call this Marshall Test. Payment type, it's currently on free. I can choose whether it's going to be a one-time payment or a subscription payment. For now, I'll leave it for free and then click on create community. And just like that, I now have got a community that I've created. And in that community, I can add a room, and it tells you what a room is. I'm able to invite members. By clicking on invite, I can actually add the name and the email address of the person that I want to invite. It'll be sent an email. and then they can choose to join my community. I can create a post, I can create an event, and I can add new rooms. And that's how simple and easy it is to actually create a community. So now that I've created my community, the next thing that I need to do is that I need to create a page where people can actually find out more details about what it is that I'm selling. It might be directly my community, or it might just be a website where they can see all the different products that I have on offer. So I can just simply come here and click on where it says landing pages, and then click on create landing page. Then I can simply choose from the different themes that are there. I'll just choose this one, which is called Empire for now. Click on choose, give it a title, click on get started. And then in just a couple of seconds, I now have got this complete landing page that looks like a beautifully designed website where I can just simply come in here, click and edit all the text just like that. Like if I just want to write my name there for whatever reason, I can just do that. If I want to change this button, I can click on it. I can change the color by clicking on the color section here to the left. Once I've clicked on the button, choose the color. I normally like to use red. Scroll down to the bottom to the next section. I don't like this black here. I can't see it clearly. You can just click on that. Highlight all the text. Come here to the left. Click on the font color. Choose white. As you can see, that's how simple and easy it is to actually use this builder. So once you've come in here and then you have made all the changes, you've got the option here to preview the landing page. You just click on that. It'll open a new tab and it will show you what your landing page or website is going to look like. And then another thing that you also need to do is, like, on each button, you need to tell the website what it needs to do. For example, if I come and click on here on get started, after I've put all my details about my community or whatever it is that I'm selling, I click on the button and then I tell it what should happen when someone clicks here. I'm going to say link to checkout or scroll to section or a custom URL. I'll leave it on link to checkout, meaning that they then go to the checkout page where they'll be told how much it actually costs for whatever it is that I'm selling. But because the membership that I created was free, I'll just need to create a landing page where they can access that membership for free. Once I'm happy with all the changes that I've made, I'm just going to click on save and exit. And then now when I come to my landing pages, you'll notice that that landing page that I just created here is now here. And just to remind you, I might be explaining all these details super fast, but just a reminder, you actually can watch all their different video tutorials that will show you step by step everything that you need to know. Now, you might also have noticed that on some of the features, it kept on saying that you need to choose a plan in order for you to access the features. So let me quickly show you some of the pricing plans that are available. On the main website, if you go to the pricing section, you see that there are two types of pricing plans. There's the monthly pricing, and then there's going to be the annual pricing. Now, if you choose to go for the annual pricing, you're going to be saving 20% of the total of whichever pricing plan you choose. Now, both plans begin with the starter plan, which is for free. And you can just go through here, this list, to see exactly what you're going to be getting. But then the next best plan is the essential plan. And as you can see under the annual, you'll be saving 20% and you'll be getting it at 699 rands. But if you're going to be paying month to month, you're going to be getting it at 879 rands. Now, depending on which part of the world you're actually viewing this website, it's going to show you the prices in your currency. Then the next plans are the surge plan and the infinite plan. And you're able to see how much they cost on the month to month or the annual just by clicking on this button here at the top. And you're also able to see the different things that you actually be accessing by getting this plan. And the main differences between all the different plans, you'll notice that for the free plan, you only get one website and 5 hours of video, whereas compared to the next plan, you get 2 websites and 50 hours of video. So if you recorded a 10-hour course, it won't be enough for you to work with the free plan. You might need to jump onto the essential plan or the surge or the infinite. And now eventually, when you keep getting more and more courses, you're going to need more hours for your content, which means that you need to jump onto a higher plan. You might need to have multiple websites. As you can see on the search plan, you can get 3 websites, whereas the infinite plan, you get unlimited websites. Also, you might want some of your members to be able to advertise your course. You'll be able to allow them to sign up as affiliates, and that's only available in the search and the infinite plans. It's up to you to choose the plan which makes the most sense to you and just simply get started. So yeah, that's a basic overview of Miestro and how it actually works. It's so simple and easy to use. If you're a content creator wanting to monetize your content, I'd actually highly recommend it. Once again, there's going to be a link in the description of this video for you to actually sign up using it. If you've got any questions about it, make sure that you leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them, but also take note that they also have got customer support where you can ask more specific questions to them directly. And if you found value from this video, please show your support just by hitting the like button. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure that you hit the bell notification and the subscribe button so that you'll always be notified whenever I drop new content like this, designed to help you to find great softwares and different ways of earning income online. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.